And this video is about transforming a space into cozy, classy bedroom in very minimal budget. So please follow me on this makeover journey. So let's go start. So this is how my room looked before. It has very minimal things. This curtain, all empty walls except for one. This bed, this old wall clock, this white light, and lots of clutter. So my first step would be decluttering this room. So here I'm using this wooden textured wallpaper around the existing wall to enhance and highlight this wall. This texture, wooden texture, also matches the print of the door of this room. And this is how this wall has turned into. I am fully satisfied with the look. Now I'm gonna make a wall piece for my room using these broken mirror pieces and an old wooden frame, some gypsum, and this is how my mosaic mirror frame is ready to be used in the wall piece. I've used some upholsteries, some foam in this wall piece. I'm totally enjoying this entire process and the way this wall piece has turned into. And this is finally the wall piece looks like. To enhance the texture of the upholstery and the mirror in the frame, I've added this additional light. And this is how finally the wall looks like. I'm in love with this wall. Since always I wanted a hanging planter in my room, so I've decided to make it for myself. I've used this old wood plastic jar and some jute ropes for this. I never had our photograph in our bedroom before, so this photograph is very special. I've also made a spiral pattern using artificial butterflies around this photograph and hang the planter above that, which makes this wall look in entirety very beautiful. I've used this old plastic bottle and painted in blue and gold. Looking at this old Sanmaika, an idea struck me to make it a wall clock. For this, my husband has helped me. And finally, this is our new wall clock. Now some extra effects. I've added these cozy pillows. I've got these pillow covers from Flipkart. And here is my fully transformed room. I hope you like this too, because I'm totally in love with this room. I love it. you all have liked my DIY ideas, my concept of designing, please do like and share my video. Please do subscribe my channel so that I can share more such videos with you all. I'm also awaiting for your comments and suggestions for improvement. Thank you so much friends for watching this.